and today I have a new recipe and easy recipe to show you guys. This is we call clam, everyone. So now I just boil it with water and then we take it to eat with pepper sauce, everyone. So start to cook with me. Add a little salt to reduce the dirty of our clam. So now it's the time to eat. Eat with me. The best taste. It's yummy like this. So now I'm enough of my eating and I think it is time to say goodbye. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about yummy food like this to show you guys. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.